Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make Paneer Tikka in an air fryer. An air fryer is a very convenient kitchen gadget to have. It cooks very fast, it occupies very less space. Food cooked in an air fryer tastes crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside, which is ideal for a snack like Paneer Tikka. Paneer Tikka is a dish which is made with paneer or cottage cheese, capsicum slices, onion slices, coated with a batter whose base consists of essentially curd and some spices. I'm going to cook it on this air fryer. This is the Philips air fryer. I have these vegetables here. This is paneer cut into cubes, capsicum slices, green capsicum. I've already prepared the marinade and I'm going to toss these vegetables into the marinade. This marinade has already been prepared. I've tossed a few vegetables and paneer inside this. This marinade consists of curd, kasuri methi or methi leaf, salt, a little bit of turmeric, ginger garlic paste and mustard oil. I will let these vegetables and cheese marinate in this for half an hour and leave it in the fridge. While the vegetables are marinating, I would like to talk a little bit about this Philips air fryer. It is connected to a 15 amp socket. The principle of an air fryer is that hot air circulates from the top into the bottom container. This is the bottom container, and into which we put all the things which need to be fried. Air circulates through this container, passing through the gap here and underneath this, and it cooks the food from all four directions. You can set the preset here, preheat it and cook it in several menus. The menus have all come up here. This is the menu and you have several menus here: vegetables, mutton, chicken, fish, the stir fry vegetables. I will be choosing the stir fry vegetables. After preheating the oven to 200 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Philips HD9252. Philips is the only air fryer which has got a patented 360-degree heating technology. I'm going to thread the vegetables which have been pre-marinated into a skewer, taking onions, capsicum, paneer, and onion. Place it in the air fryer. I'm going to place the molten basket into the air fryer. Choose the stir fry vegetables option here. Choose 20 minutes. Stir fry option is here. There are 7 presets and then press start. Let's see how the food looks at 6 minutes. You can see that it is grilling well from all sides. We'll let it cook for the remaining time. So this is what we've got: grilled tikka in an air fryer. Looks delicious, crunchy, and hopefully it should be soft on the inside. Now let's transfer it to a plate and I will serve it with mint chutney. pudina chutney or mint chutney. It looks very crunchy due to the grilling on the outside. Paneer Tikka cooked on a Philips Airfryer HD 9252. It looks crunchy, looks delicious. I enjoyed making this Paneer Tikka in the Philips Airfryer. It came out very well at the end. It didn't require much oil, it didn't require much supervision. As I pointed out in previous videos, the air fryer occupies very little space. It can be tucked into a small space between the microwave on one side and the gas on the other, as I've shown in a previous video. It's easy to cook, no supervision is required. This particular air fryer, Philips HD 9252, it has got a patented 360-degree air vent around the food tray, so no turning of the food is required. You can of course remove the tray and see if it is cooking and adjust the timing accordingly. I didn't have to turn the food at all, and you can see that the tikka has come out very well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody if they don't want to consume more oil and fats. This video may be of very great value to them. Do share it with them. If you want to see more recipes on microwave cooking, air fryer cooking, let me know in the comment section below. Did you know that I had made the same version of the Paneer Tikka on an induction stove? I uploaded it here. Check it out. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.